10:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Geneva, moving at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations and tactics include Chicago, Aurora, Schaumburg, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Bossier Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights, and Elk Grove Village, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 near mile marker 110, in between mile markers 133 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 73 and 82. Interstate 290 between mile markers 3 and 22. Interstate 355 between mile markers 22 and 30. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Schaumburg, Boomers Baseball, Triton College, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Sandyland, King County Teachers Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, and Wheaton College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Let's go, bro. First alert off WLS, I think. But definitely first SVR from them. And that's my phone switching between the two cameras. Ultra wide, apparently. And then the closer, whatever. So, yeah. My hair's a mess.